Digestion of protein physiology. So imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, everything working in harmony, moving fluidly from one system to the next. But behind this smooth operation is a fascinating and complex process that happens every time you consume food, especially protein. Protein, unlike fats or carbohydrates, goes through a unique process of digestion that is crucial to your body's function. When you eat a meal rich in protein, whether it's chicken, beans, or tofu, your body begins a carefully orchestrated process to break down that protein into its essential building blocks, amino acids. But where does this process start, and how does the body ensure it gets the most out of the protein we eat? It all begins in the mouth. While protein digestion doesn't really start here, chewing your food properly prepares it for the next steps. When you swallow, the food travels down your esophagus and enters the stomach, the first key stop in the protein digestion journey. The stomach, with its acidic environment, plays a critical role. It secretes gastric juices that include hydrochloric acid, HCl, and the enzyme pepsin, which begins to break down the protein molecules into smaller fragments. This is a process that sets the stage for the body to extract and utilize every nutrient. But here's the thing, protein digestion is far from simple. It's a finely tuned process that doesn't just happen in a few minutes. From the stomach, the partially digested food, now called chyme, moves into the small intestine, where most of the real magic happens. The pancreas releases pancreatic juices containing enzymes like trypsin and chymotrypsin, which continue the breakdown of proteins into smaller peptides and amino acids. It's these amino acids that will eventually be absorbed into the bloodstream, making their way to various parts of the body to support muscle repair, enzyme production, and more. The journey of protein digestion is a dynamic process that's crucial for your body's ability to function. But it doesn't happen in isolation. Protein digestion is intimately connected to many other systems in your body, working in tandem with enzymes, hormones, and cells to make sure your body gets the maximum benefit from the protein you consume. So, the next time you eat a protein-packed meal, think about all the steps it takes for that food to become the energy and building blocks your body needs. It's an incredible process that highlights just how important digestion is to your overall health. But why does this complex system need to be so efficient? The answer lies in how protein impacts every single cell in your body. As we journey deeper into the process of protein digestion, let's focus on the enzymes, the real workers behind the scenes. Without enzymes, our body wouldn't be able to break down the proteins we eat into the amino acids we need for muscle repair, immune function, or hormone production. One of the first enzymes involved in protein digestion is pepsin, which is secreted by cells in the lining of the stomach. Pepsin starts breaking down the long chains of amino acids into shorter polypeptides. But pepsin doesn't work alone. It's the acidic environment created by hydrochloric acid, HCl, in the stomach that activates pepsin, enabling it to function effectively. This is a crucial step as it begins to unravel and break the bonds holding the protein molecules together. After the food moves into the small intestine, the next group of enzymes takes over. The pancreas releases several digestive enzymes, most notably trypsin and chymotrypsin. These enzymes continue breaking down the polypeptides into even smaller fragments. At this point, the body is moving closer to extracting the essential components from the protein. These fragments, known as peptides, are then further broken down into individual amino acids by another enzyme called carboxypeptidase. These amino acids are the body's building blocks, and they're absorbed through the walls of the small intestine and into the bloodstream, where they are then transported to cells throughout the body. These amino acids are used to repair muscles, produce enzymes, and create neurotransmitters, basically helping the body to stay in working order. It's truly remarkable that this complex process happens every time we eat. Enzymes work with precision, targeting specific bonds between amino acids to break them down in just the right way. But here's something to think about. What would happen if this enzyme system wasn't functioning properly? If the body couldn't break down proteins efficiently, it would struggle to build muscle, maintain a strong immune system, or even keep basic bodily functions running. That's why enzyme balance is essential for protein digestion, and by extension, for overall health. As your body digests proteins, it's not just a mechanical process. It's a finely tuned system that supports growth, repair, and function. In essence, these enzymes are the unsung heroes of digestion, making sure we can extract everything we need from the foods we eat. Now, let's move to the next phase of protein digestion, absorption. After the long journey through the stomach and small intestine, where proteins have been broken down into their smallest components, amino acids are finally ready to enter the bloodstream. This is the moment when everything you've digested becomes accessible to your body. But how do amino acids make their way from the inside of your small intestine to the rest of your body? The small intestine is lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi, which are covered in even smaller microvilli. These microvilli act like gateways, helping the amino acids pass from the intestinal lumen into the bloodstream. It's through this delicate process of absorption that the body takes what's been digested and sends it to the areas that need it most. From here, the amino acids travel through the bloodstream to your liver and various other tissues where they can be used for everything from muscle repair to neurotransmitter production. Think about it. Every time you eat a protein-rich meal, your body is unlocking the power to repair cells, build new tissue, and strengthen its defense systems. Amino acids are the key components in enzymes that control all aspects of metabolism and digestion. They're used to create hormones that regulate your mood and energy, and they play a role in building collagen for healthy skin and joints. Without efficient protein absorption, your body wouldn't be able to function at its best. In fact, a deficiency in protein absorption can lead to a number of health issues, such as muscle wasting, immune dysfunction, and even growth problems in children. That's why efficient digestion and absorption are so crucial for overall health. It's a process that ensures the nutrients we consume don't go to waste but are put to work in the body's various systems. But how do we know if this system is working properly? What are the signs of an issue in protein absorption, and how can we ensure our body is absorbing the maximum nutrients from the food we eat? Protein digestion is more than just breaking down food. It's a critical function that affects every system in your body. When we talk about protein digestion, we're talking about muscle health, immune function, energy production, and so much more. Proper digestion ensures that you get the right amount of amino acids, the building blocks of life, but when the process doesn't work correctly, the effects can be far-reaching. For example, if your body can't break down protein properly, you might struggle to build or maintain muscle mass. This is especially important as we age, since muscle loss is a common problem for older adults. Without the right amount of protein, your muscles won't regenerate after exercise, and you'll lose strength and endurance over time. On the flip side, when protein is digested properly, you'll see improved recovery, faster muscle repair, and better performance in workouts. But it doesn't stop at muscle health. Protein digestion is also key to a strong immune system. Your body needs amino acids to make the antibodies that fight off infections. If your protein intake is insufficient, your immune system becomes compromised, leaving you more susceptible to illness. Proper digestion ensures that your body is producing the right levels of immune-supporting proteins. Protein digestion also plays a role in brain function. Amino acids are used to produce neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood, focus, and energy levels. Without enough protein, your mental clarity and mood could take a hit. Now think about how protein digestion affects energy production. The amino acids released from protein are not only used for muscle recovery, but also as a source of energy. Protein helps maintain your energy levels throughout the day, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. So how can you ensure that your body is efficiently digesting and absorbing protein? It all starts with eating the right types of protein and being mindful of how you prepare your meals. Your body needs high-quality protein sources such as lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and dairy. Consuming these in the right proportions spread throughout the day ensures that your digestive system has everything it needs to break down protein efficiently. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how well your digestive system is functioning overall. If you're experiencing issues like bloating, gas, or constipation, it could be a sign that your protein digestion isn't working as it should. Consulting with a healthcare provider can help identify any underlying issues and ensure your digestive system is optimized for protein absorption. Proper protein digestion is a cornerstone of overall health. It's something we don't always think about, but is essential for vitality, recovery, and longevity. If you found value in this video, leave a like, subscribe, and let's grow together, nutrition and rise.